Good morning everyone. This is me Diksha Dubey of class 9D and I'm here with my project of hydraulic robotic arm. What is this? It seems to be very complex, but I'll be explaining it in a very easy manner. A hydraulic robotic arm project is an excellent hands-on activity that aligns well with the Viksit Bharat, which means developed India. It promotes practical understanding of core engineering principles, Pascal's principle and hydraulic principles activity. What is the project overview and relevance and the educational value? The goal of this project is to build a functional small-scale model of a robotic arm, using the principles of hydraulics, which uses the fluid pressure to create motion. Then what is the relevance of this project to the Viksit Bharat? This project fosters critical thinking, problem solving and skill development in the students. This project tells the students that how simple mechanical principles can be used to build sophisticated thinking in our life. Then the key learning objects of this project: understanding the Pascal principle, learning about the force multiplication laws and developing design and fabrication skills using the simple materials only. Then what will be the construction steps of this project? Firstly, we will know what are the materials required. It's just the structure. In the structure we need the cardboard, then the hydraulic syringes, tubes and joints which can be used to join the tubings and the syringes. Then the construction is, first we have to design the segments, then create the joints and attach the syringes, which may lead to our project to be completed. Then what are the application of this project in the modern industry? It helps in the acknowledgement of the students about the construction, manufacturing, automotive industry and the aerospace industry.